Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in the world of innovation. Today, we dive deep into the realm of Apple's upcoming masterpiece, the MacBook SE, set to make waves in 2024 with its groundbreaking features and budget-friendly allure. Priced attractively at $699, this device is poised to redefine accessibility without compromising on the quality that Apple is renowned for. To truly grasp the significance of the MacBook SE, let's first take a glance at Apple's recent trajectory in the market. The M1 MacBook series, introduced during the pandemic, enjoyed unprecedented success. However, subsequent models like the M2 and M2 Pro fell short of expectations, prompting Apple to recalibrate its approach. Enter the MacBook SE, a strategic maneuver aimed at reigniting consumer interest. Building upon the legacy of the M1 MacBook Air, which has shown signs of aging, Apple seeks to introduce a budget-friendly alternative. Imagine a sleek design reminiscent of the 2015 MacBook, adorned with modern upgrades like the MagSafe port and an enhanced keyboard, a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. Now, let's delve into the speculations and potential features of the MacBook SE. Leaks and rumors offer tantalizing glimpses, but we must approach them with caution. Anticipated specifications include a 12-inch Retina display boasting a resolution of 2340 x 1440. Although lacking a promotion display, the inclusion of a 60 Hz display aligns perfectly with the budget-oriented nature of the device. Storage options are expected to range from 256 GB to 512 GB, catering to diverse user needs. Powered by the rumored M2 chipset with an 8-core CPU and a choice of 10 or 12-core GPU, the MacBook SE promises a harmonious balance of performance and affordability. RAM configurations are likely to offer 8 GB or 16 GB options, aligning with higher-end configurations found in premium models. In terms of design, the MacBook SE is anticipated to sport an aluminum body reminiscent of its predecessors, featuring one MagSafe port and one USB-C port each, alongside the inclusion of a headphone jack. The device seamlessly maintains functionality while embracing modern connectivity standards. An exciting addition is the 1080p center stage webcam, aiming to elevate the user experience, especially in the realm of remote work and virtual communication. Now, let's talk about the release date speculation. The launch of the MacBook SE hinges on various factors, including the performance of existing models and market demand. If the sales of the M3 series surpass expectations, Apple may choose to delay or fast-track the release of the MacBook SE. Conversely, if the demand for the M1 MacBook Air persists, the company may expedite the launch to capitalize on market trends. Assuming a favorable market outlook, the MacBook SE is likely to debut in late 2024, with October or November emerging as potential launch windows. Apple's penchant for hosting events during this period further reinforces this speculation. By unveiling the MacBook SE alongside the highly anticipated M4 series, Apple aims to cater to diverse consumer segments while maintaining its competitive edge. The implications of the MacBook SE are profound. It signifies Apple's commitment to democratizing access to its ecosystem by offering a budget-friendly alternative without compromising on quality. The device's affordability, coupled with its blend of nostalgia and innovation, is poised to resonate with a wide audience. In conclusion, the MacBook SE represents a paradigm shift in Apple's product strategy. With its competitive pricing, enhanced features, and nostalgic design, the device embodies Apple's ethos of innovation and accessibility. As we eagerly await further updates and official announcements, the tech community is buzzing with excitement, preparing to embark on a new chapter in the world of computing with the groundbreaking MacBook SE.